Welcome my children, this is your mentor Mrs. Mohonia. So let's continue with our chapter, that is more on Photoshop CC. So for today your subtopics will be navigation tools, using image menu and layers. So let's begin with the first subtopic, that is navigation tools. Further in navigation tools we will be learning about two more tools, that is zoom tool and hand tool. Now what is the use of this zoom tool? Zoom tool, it lets you zoom in by clicking on the image to view its magnified size, or you can zoom out by pressing the Alt key and it looks like a magnifying glass. So in case you want to enlarge your picture, you want to view the picture very close, minutely you want to view the image, so you can click on the zoom tool. And hand tool helps you to move the image within the window when the image is too large. So when you are using a zoom tool, the image is larger than the screen size. So in that case, when you want to move the image, you can do with the help of hand tool. Our further subtopic is using image menu. Now here in image menu, the first thing is image adjustment options. Now image adjustment option is just like you are setting the color of your television. Now, like how you set the brightness, contrast, exactly the same way. So here also it helps in setting the color levels, contrast, brightness and many more settings of an image. Further adjusting hue and saturation. So this tool is used to adjust the hue, that is the colors in the image, and saturation, that is the intensity of the colors, and also gives you control over the lightness. Moving further, our next topic is about the layers. My children, if you remember in our previous class we have learnt Flash, and in Flash we have created many layers. So it is exactly the same. So layers are the transparent sheet that can hold objects and are stacked on top of each other. We can draw and edit objects on one layer without affecting the objects on another layer. So here you can draw objects on different layers, and later on you can stack all the layers. So it will give a single image view. Like on one layer you have drawn a road, on second layer you will draw tree, on third layer we'll draw a building, and later on when we stack all the layers together, it will give a view of a single image, where in a single image you can see the road, tree and building all together, but actually they are being placed on different layers. So let's understand this with the help of example. We'll click on new and we'll go for layer option. So here we'll give the name to our layer. First of all, I've given a name to the layer. After giving the name, here we can see new layer is formed and one is background. So let's close the visibility, hide the visibility of the background. And now whatever shapes I will draw on new layer will not be placed on the background, because right now we have closed the visibility of background. So here we'll draw some shapes. I have drawn first shape here. You can change the color also. Let's go for some more shapes. In the previous video we have learned how to draw custom shapes. So this is how different shapes and the colors you have of your own choice. Let's draw one more shape here. So here it is. Okay, now let's move for the background. Here you can see different are there, new layer, shape 1, shape 2 and the background. So now I'm unhiding it. Yes, now the layer visibility is on and you can see that the shapes have been placed on the background. Here it is. So you can see all the layers are now stacked on each other, so you can't make out that the shapes are drawn on different layer. So in case you want to delete any layer or duplicate, you just need to right click on the layer and select delete layer. So here we have deleted one shape. We'll go for the next one and even that we can delete. Here we'll go for the delete of the next one. So this is how you can delete a layer also, or you can duplicate a layer if you want to have the same shape again. So that's what is there in this. This is your assignment, my children. So complete your assignment. Fill in the blanks are given to you, and these are the true or false. Further, you have question answers I've given to you. So do complete your assignment in the book or copy, whatever you have maintained. So that's all from my end, my children. Thank you. Take care. God bless you.